everybody. You have come in at the right time to see me really try to work some magic with this getting older thing. So that's not a problem. The problem is that with all the weight that I've lost, my sagging cheek is more pronounced, my face is thinner, my skin is looser, and my neck is more saggy. So it's more of a challenge to try to get that young, youthful, beautiful appearance. I happen to like challenges. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining me.
When I'm alone, I think of you. Makes my problems easy. Your lovely face, the cutest smile, makes me whole completely. Dark brown eyes look so fine. Sweet lips taste like wine. Oh baby, I just wanna make you mine. When I look into your eyes, I can see the world. With all the blurry, I can see it clear in your eyes, baby girl. Every time I close my eyes, boy, you're always
much better. I may not be 40, but I hope I don't look 68 either. Let me know what you think in the comments. And please guys, don't forget to check out my new channel, Tar Heel Monsters, about true crimes that have been perpetrated in the state of North Carolina. I'm so excited about that channel. I love it just as much as I love this one. And I love you guys for tuning in and for hanging in there with me. I am approaching 40,000 subscribers. So guys, if you've not subscribed already, please do help me get to that magic number of 40,000. And I'm looking forward to 50,000, but got to get to 40 first. So make sure that you like my videos, you share my videos, and of course, subscribe. Thanks everybody again for joining me. It's been wonderful as always, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care. Bye-bye for now.